Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Razer Wi-Fi if it's not working properly on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to go about this by just resetting our whole network settings or network adapter. So just make sure you have your Wi-Fi passcode nearby, because once you restart your computer, you will need that in order to gain access to the internet. So in order to actually reset our network adapter, go ahead and open up the Start menu, search, type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the menu icon up at the top left and select network and internet. On the right side, you want to go down and select advanced network settings. Go ahead and select that. And then underneath more settings, select network reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. And this will remove, then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Go ahead and select the Reset Now button. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Go ahead and select Yes. And now you will be signed out within 5 minutes, so go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. If you're prompted to enter in your Wi-Fi credentials, go ahead and insert that at that point. But that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.